Hey everyone, this is going to be part 2 of the 3-part QuickBooks Online and Ressio integration series I am recording. Feel free to check out our other videos. First video is going to be focused on the actuals integration for your bills and expenses. Part 2, which we're on right now, will be focused on client and customer invoices, and then part 3, which is to come, and you definitely can go check that out too, is going to be Ressio's integration on the time clock. So feel free to check out all 3 videos for a full overall look at that integration. This one's going to go specifically into invoicing. So to get started, I am within a Ressio project, Kayla's Holiday Home. You can navigate to create an invoice either directly from the project budget or from the invoices page. They're both going to have the same new invoice button in the upper right hand corner. So best practice here is we're going to create our invoices directly in Ressio first. Again, these are client facing invoices, and the reason why we want to create them here in Ressio and have the information push into our QuickBooks Online account is this allows us to create an invoice that is shared via the Ressio Client Portal. That way we can keep one main area for communication with our clients and keep it extremely organized in their client portal. So I'm just going to click on New Invoice, and depending on the project will determine what your options are here for creating the invoice. We do have additional invoicing videos. I'm currently on a cost plus job, so I can create an invoice just based on an amount. I can come in here and do it from the project actuals, or I can do this from change orders. For my fixed price jobs, I'll be able to do this based on an amount, a percentage, or from changes. So for today's cost plus project, we're going to do it based on the project actuals that I have not invoiced for just yet. So I'm going to go ahead and create this. It's going to list off any actuals that I have not created a client invoice for just yet. I'm happy with this information, so I'm going to leave it as is and close it. This is going to create a nice invoice page for me. Keep in mind, just like with any other Ressio approval documents, it will be rebranded as your company with your company logo, and you're also going to have some flexibility in adding in a description, coming on in here, using your toggles to pick and choose what level of detail we actually want to show out, as well as having your own terms and conditions in here. Again, additional videos on all of this, so you can have T's and C templates that automatically populate in here, and some more flexibility on these toggles on the right. So make sure this is set up how you'd like it to be, and I'm going to go ahead and save this. Once I save it, I'm going to have the option to release. This is important because this is what will push this over to my QuickBooks Online account. And if I did want to notify the customer, that way they can go ahead, click on a magic link and access this in their Ressio Client Portal. I'm going to want to leave that check mark checked. So I'm going to go ahead and release this. This will notify my customer. They now have a new invoice from Ressio, and it's going to sync on over to that QuickBooks Online account. Let's go ahead and check this out in QuickBooks. Now I'm just in my QuickBooks Online account in my invoices. I've narrowed this down a little bit, but we can see right here my invoice for today, December 29th, for Kayla's Holiday Home, and that's at $5,225. From here, you can take action in QuickBooks. So if you did need to do any edits, you can certainly do that here. We can also go ahead and mark this as received payment, as well as have some additional flexibility over here on the right. If we do receive payment through QuickBooks and get this marked as paid in here, this information will push on over to your Ressio account. So I'm going to go ahead and record and close this out. That is the Ressio integration with QuickBooks Online for client invoices. Please reach out to us if you all have any questions. Thanks so much.